हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के दिसंबर 2013 के पेपर 2 के बारे में। नेम द साइंटिस्ट हु सेड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस इज क्लस्टर ऑफ मैनी डिसिप्लिन्स वेयर इन द सेंट्रल कोर इज द इंफॉर्मेशन। फ्रिज माचल। Which committee recommended that Imperial Library be designed as a copyright library? Ritchie Committee 1926. Who was the first librarian of Imperial Library, Calcutta? That is John McFarlane. Who coined the phrase information travel by Calvin Moores? In column classification, which indicators has been used for indicating interpolation? That is asterisk. What is annotation? It is dividing classes to increase intention and decrease the extension. The international body that coordinates the assignment of unique domain names protocol address is ISP. Name the Indian librarian who was honored with the title of Khan Bahadur in 1935 by the British government. That is K.M. Asadullah. Which approach of information is not given by versing and nailing? That is technique approach. Which of the following citation style manuals are from the same publisher? That is Turabian and Chicago. Pre-coordinate indexing system perceives semantic context and relation. An indispensable function of thesaurus is to grouping the words together according to similarity of the meaning and representation of relationship between concepts. Which of the following are the basic components of expert system? That is user interface, knowledge base and inference mechanism. Inference mechanism. Which of the following are the type factor studies under ANOVA? That is fixed and random. Which of the following are the modes of the communication? That is Shannon-Weaver and Skarma model. Which of the following are criteria for web evaluation? That is response time and archiving facility. Which of the following country do not have a code of ethics for the library professional? That is India and China. Which of the following are the components of the search engine? That is spider, search mechanism and index. When the permission of copyright owner is not needed, when criticism or review and research purpose. Which of the following are library networks? That is ImpleNet and OCLC. Are in the following university libraries according to the year of their establishment? First, Calcutta University, then Bombay University Library, then Madras University Library and last Delhi University Library. What is the correct sequence of the following section of the main entry as per this classified catalog code? That is leading section, heading section, title section and last note section. Are in the following index sources according to the year of their first publication? Are in the following library association according to their year of emergence? That is ALA, then SLA, SLIB and SLIB. Met the following: Library Advisory Committee 1957, Review Committee in 1961, DRTC in 1962, Sada Ranganathan Endowment in 1963. Met the following: Facts on File, the Newspaper Digest, World of the Learning Directory, Concordance is the index, Feelings Press Guide is periodical directory. Met the following: McGeorge Theory X is related with the workers participant in decision making. McGeorge Theory Y is related with the least external control. Unity of command related with the all powers in one person. Time and cost related with the part. User education is Patricia B. Knapp. Conservative, liberal and moderate theory of preference service is James I. Pyle. Minimum, middling and maximum theories of preference service related with the Samuel Prostain. Guide to reference book by Yugne P. C. Met the following: W. Edward Deming, Plan, Do, Check, Act, PDCA. Joseph M. Juran, Planning, Control and Improvement. Armand V. Pagan Bomb TQM Kaoru Ishikawa Quality Control Circle Encyclopedia Association is related with the directories Whitaker's Almanac yearbooks Lisa the secondary sources of the information Economic Times the primary sources of the information met the following books in print that is trade bibliography social science of bibliography of doctoral dissertation is the national bibliography Asian social science bibliography is the subject bibliography cumulative book index that is national and trade bibliography met the following dictionary is the words dictionary for the words and synonyms glossary for the specific subject thesaurus for the trade bibliography lexicon for the foreign language curriculum development committee P.N. Koula in 1992 curriculum development committee by C.R. Karisiddappa in 2001 working group on library in 1964 library movement in Baroda in 1910 current bibliography USA index translation UNESCO Vinity Russia and library 10 in University of Illinois Herbert Hicks the management of organization F.W. Taylor scientific management Henry Fayol administrative management Colonel L. Urwick the elements of administration in the study of history as an academic discipline a primary source is an artifact a document or recording or other sources of the information that was created during the event or immediately after the event reason primary sources are considered as original material or evidences about the topic are fundamental to history both are true Indian national bibliography is the most comprehensive sources of the Indian publication reason National Library of Calcutta is entitled to receive one copy of each Indian publication under Delivery Box Act A is false but A are true as per the generally accepted principle of construction of statistical tabulation, every table should have a clear, concise and adequate title so as to make the table intelligible without a reference to the text and this title should always be placed just below the body of the table. Reason, a statistical table which reflects its title just above the table and supply information about several interrelated characteristics of data makes the table unwieldy and inconvenient. Both are false. Knowledge management involves a number of assets and value added to them. Reason, knowledge management is the core activity of information transfer. A is true but R is partially true. According to Horton and Merchant, information is a commodity like other resources. Reason, information is a tangible commodity. A is true but R is false. Reference section in a library becomes significant. Reason, the Web 2.0 service replaced the reference text service. Both are true. Newspaper digests are the best sources of the information to get current and authentic information like books. Reason, these sources are compiled by going through various newspapers. A is partially true but R is true. Encyclopedias have been regarded as the substitute of all categories of reference sources as these provide all types of the information. Reason, encyclopedias provide comprehensive information on all aspects which otherwise are scattered in different categories of reference sources. A is true but R is false. Chi-square is an important non-parametric test which does not require rigid assumption in respect of the type of the population being studied. Reason, since x square is a non-parametric test, it requires only the degree of freedom for using the test. Both are true. Information is commodity. Reason, commodity is a marketable item produced to satisfy human wants of the needs. Both are true. Comprehension test. Who defined social media as an online media which encourages contributions and feedback from everyone who is interested? Anthony Mayfield. Who used the social media for conversing during a recent presidential election in USA? Barack Obama. In China, which social media became the first media to break the news of the earthquake? Twitter. In Asia, which country is ranked third in terms of using social media by the people? India. Which social website has more than 7,400 discussion groups related to politics? MySpace.